Hello you guys, today is June 7. We are shipping the machines to customer. Two containers machines we will send to the customer today. And yesterday we shipped two container machines. And today we also need to ship two containers machines to customer. And you see our mechanical engineers and the electrical engineers are checking the working of the machine before shipping. They have worked more than 20 hours today, and I think today they will work 20 hours again. So so sometimes business is good, orders are good, but for our workers, it's very hard. Anyway, we will ensure the delivery time for our customers, so we just can work over time.